The EDL8 Race Dash has two internal processors, one for handling the screen and the other one for handling the data logging. In this tutorial we'll see how to upgrade the firmware for the screen handling processor. So you select the EDL8 manager. This message, it's not happy with the USB that's in there. It's not something that it recognizes, but that doesn't matter. So you just press OK on that. You select the SD card option, and from there select Load Screen Firmware to USB. Here you'll be presented with some different versions of the screen firmware. You would select the latest one, and you would select the USB stick that you want to save to, and you press this button, Save to USB. That's it. The firmware is now loaded onto the USB stick. To load it into the dash, you will need the USB stick, a mouse, but you will also need a multi-port USB adapter. This is because we need to use the mouse on the dash to load the new firmware. Now you need to plug the multi-port USB into the dash. At this point the mouse will come alive. Bring the pointer onto the setup word and click the left mouse button. You must now select the EDL8 firmware file. In this screen you can also see the current display firmware and logger firmware versions. Now you can press the Load New Firmware button to update the display firmware to the latest version. When it's done, you will see the message telling you to restart the dash. After you restart the dash, it'll be running the new firmware version.